To celebrate Australian businesses and Australian products, we are going to turn this piece of wood into the Australian-made logo using the OutBack CNC machine. All of the CAD drawings and vector files we made for this design are available down below for you to use. To prep our workpiece, we started with a slab of 18mm acacia wood from Bunnings. We added 2 to 3 layers of primer, followed by 2 to 3 layers of the Australian-made green paint. To get the right green paint, we asked the paint team at Bunnings to match the green from the Australian-made logo. This only takes 5 minutes and it's affordable. If you wish to paint it after pocketing, we recommend covering the surface with a stencil vinyl. This way, you can pocket cut the kangaroo and keep the surrounding triangle green for when you apply the yellow and white paint without staining the green paint. To cut out the triangle, we are using the 6mm number 100 Bits Carbide flat downcut. This is a great end mill if you want to have a great top finish and is excellent for pocketing and letter engraving. Once the piece is clamped down firmly, we zeroed out our workpiece by using Maker Store's XYZ probe, setting the work coordinates. With the work coordinates set, we can begin cutting. If you love this type of content, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And go ahead and hit that bell so you'll be notified of all new videos as they're released. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at makerstore.com.au. This was a fun project to work on. The OutBack handles these cuts with ease. Once the kangaroo and the triangle are pocketed, we change the end mill to the 3.175mm Bits Carbide flat downcut number 180. This is a great end mill if you want to make small pockets and more intricate lettering. Just like the kangaroo, we are also pocketing the text. Loosen the collet nut. Change the end mill. Tighten it, and we're good to go. After doing a quick Z-axis probe with the new bit, we can start pocketing the Australian-made lettering. We were really happy with how detailed the Australian-made text came out. If you want to find out more about our end mills, we've added a link in the description. That's it. That's the entire cutting process. And there you are, an Australian-made logo from a simple piece of wood. From the Maker Store team, that's a wrap. In the meantime, you can check out our video on our state-of-the-art E5X motion control system here. Until then, see you in the next video.